Ladies and gentlemen, this is not just another ab workout. It's a 2-week full body home challenge to sculpt, shred, and show off those abs. No excuses, no gym, just you vs you. Every rep takes you closer to that burn, that fire, that transformation. Push harder, sweat louder, and OWN every single move. You're not just training abs. You're building confidence, power, and the strength to conquer anything. 2 weeks, one challenge, limitless results. When people hear get abs in 2 weeks, the first reaction is often doubt. 2 weeks, really? That sounds impossible, but let me tell you something. You don't need months or years to start seeing results. What you need is focus. What you need is intensity. What you need is the decision right here and right now that you are going to show up for yourself every single day. Because 2 weeks is not just a random number, it's the ignition point. It's the spark that flips the switch between wishing and doing. Think about it, 2 weeks, 14 days. That's 14 chances to prove to yourself what you're capable of. 14 opportunities to sweat, to push harder, to burn through every excuse. 2 weeks might not sound like much, but when you give it everything you've got, when you commit fully, you'll be shocked at how far you can go. And the best part, you're not just chasing abs. You're creating discipline, building resilience, and proving to yourself that when you set a goal, you can smash it. Here's the truth. You're not going to magically wake up with a 6-pack overnight, but in 2 weeks, you can feel your core tighten, your stamina rise, and your energy explode. You'll see your body respond faster than you think because effort compounds. Every rep builds on the last. Every drop of sweat is a down payment on the results you're about to earn. And when you stick to the plan, no shortcuts, no excuses, you'll realize that 2 weeks can be enough to change everything. Now, let's get real. 2 weeks is also short enough that you have no reason to quit. You can push for 14 days. You can fight for 14 days. Anyone can. Don't tell yourself it's too hard or that you don't have time. 2 weeks is a blink, and if you can stay locked in, if you can give yourself permission to fully commit, you'll discover a new level of strength that's been hiding inside you all along. This challenge is not about perfection. It's about showing up. It's about proving to yourself that when you set a short, sharp, powerful goal, you can attack it with everything you've got. Imagine how proud you'll feel on day 14 when you look back and realize you didn't let excuses win. Imagine the energy, the confidence, the fire in your eyes knowing you pushed through, even when it burned, even when you wanted to stop. That's what this is really about. So when I say 2 weeks, I'm not just giving you a time frame, I'm giving you a target, a finish line you can see, a reason to dig deep and refuse to back down. This is where transformation begins. This is where strength is born. This is where the excuses die. The best part about this challenge, you don't need a fancy gym. You don't need expensive machines. You don't need memberships, trainers, or endless equipment. All you need is your body, your floor, and your willpower. That's it. Too many people think fitness is about having access to the latest gear or the perfect environment. But here's the truth. Your results don't come from where you train. They come from how you train. And right now, your home is enough. More than enough. Think about how powerful that is. You don't need to leave your living room, your bedroom, your garage, wherever you've got a little space. That's your arena. That's your battleground. 4 walls and a little floor space can transform into the stage where you prove what you're capable of. No distractions, no commute, no excuses. Just you, your determination, and the challenge in front of you. And let me tell you something, home workouts are not easy. They are not second best done right. They are intense, they are brutal, and they deliver results. You don't need dumbbells to feel the burn. Your body is the best resistance machine you will ever own. When you push it, when you drive it, when you challenge it with consistency, it responds. Every mountain climber, every plank, every leg raise, it doesn't matter where you are. What matters is how much you're willing to push past the point of comfort. Some people will say, "But I don't have space," or "I don't have equipment." That's not a reason, that's an excuse. Clear a corner, roll out a mat, and get to work. The only real obstacle is whether or not you choose to show up. If you can get up, if you can move, if you can push your body, you've already got everything you need. And here's the magic of doing it at home. It's on your terms. No waiting for machines. No comparing yourself to the person next to you. No pressure to look a certain way. This is your space, your time, your journey. You get to focus completely on yourself, without judgment, without distractions. Every rep is for you. Every drop of sweat falls on your floor, reminding you that you are building strength right where you stand. Home workouts strip away the excuses and force you to face the truth. Results don't come from where you are. They come from who you are when no one's watching. And when you conquer yourself in that space, you'll realize something powerful. If you can do it here, you can do it anywhere. So forget the idea that you need more. You don't. You've already got the most important tool, the ability to start right here, right now. Now let's talk about the real secret to abs, because here's where most people get it wrong. Abs don't just come from crunches. Abs don't just come from planks. Abs start in the mind. The truth is, your body will only go as far as your mindset allows. And when it comes to training your core, the burn is real. It's uncomfortable, it's fiery, and there's a moment in every workout where your body screams at you to stop. That's the moment that separates those who wish from those who win. Your mind has to be stronger than your excuses. When it starts to hurt, that's not the time to quit. That's the time to lean in. Because pain is not punishment, it's progress. That burn in your abs, that shaking in your core, that sweat dripping down your face, that's your body changing in real time. That's proof that you're pushing past limits. And if you embrace it instead of running from it, you'll discover a whole new version of yourself. And this is where discipline comes in. Motivation will get you started, but discipline will keep you going when the excitement fades. You can't just wait to feel like it. If you only train when it's convenient, you'll never see the results you want. But if you show up anyway, if you fight through the days when you're tired, if you keep moving even when the couch is calling your name, that's when you build the kind of mindset that creates real transformation. Every single rep is a choice. Every second you hold that plank is a decision. You're either moving closer to your goal or you're letting it slip away. And the beautiful thing is you're in full control. Nobody else can do the reps for you. Nobody else can feel that burn for you. It's you, your body, and your decision to keep going when it gets tough. Abs aren't built overnight, but the mental toughness you create in the process, that happens immediately. From the very first workout, you're training more than your body. You're training your discipline, your resilience, your determination. And those qualities don't disappear when the workout ends. They carry into everything you do. Your work, your relationships, your confidence, your life. So the next time you hit that point where you want to drop, where your abs are on fire and your arms are shaking, remember this, that's where the growth begins. That's where the new you is being built. Don't run from it, don't fear it, own it. That burn is your body saying, yes, I'm changing. Yes, I'm getting stronger. Yes, I'm becoming who I was meant to be. Here's the thing. This is not just a workout plan. This is a challenge, and a challenge means it's not supposed to be easy. It's designed to push you, to test you, to stretch you past the limits you thought you had. Every time you press play, every time you hit the mat, you're stepping into a battle, and the opponent, it's not me, it's not the workout, it's not the timer on the screen. The real opponent is you, the part of you that says I can't, the part of you that wants to quit when it burns, the part of you that whispers tomorrow. This is where the magic of a challenge comes alive, because when you stop competing with anyone else and start competing with yourself, everything changes. You realize the only race worth running is against the person you were yesterday. Can you hold that plank 1 second longer than last time? Can you push out one more rep when your body says no? Can you show up on the days when you really don't want to? That's the true measure of strength, not how you perform when you're fresh and excited, but how you fight when you're tired, sore, and out of excuses. And here's the beautiful thing, every small victory stacks up. Every time you push just a little further, every time you ignore the voice that says stop, you're winning. You're proving to yourself that you're stronger than your doubts, tougher than your fears, and more capable than you ever believed. That's what this challenge is about. It's not about chasing perfection, it's about chasing progress. I want you to stop thinking about failing, because there is no failure in showing up and giving your best. Even if you collapse on the floor halfway through, you've still beaten the version of you that would have quit before starting. That's a win, that's growth, and tomorrow when you come back and do a little more, that's another win. String enough of those wins together, and suddenly you've built a version of yourself that doesn't back down. Not in workouts, not in life. This challenge is a mirror. It reflects who you are when things get tough, and when you choose to fight, when you choose to stay in it, when you refuse to give up, that mirror shows you a warrior. A fighter, someone who doesn't crumble under pressure but rises because of it. So yes, it's going to hurt. Yes, it's going to test you, but that's the point. A challenge without struggle isn't a challenge. It's just comfort disguised as progress. And comfort never built abs. Comfort never built strength. Comfort never built confidence. We've talked about training, about pushing, about challenging yourself. But here's something you cannot ignore. Abs aren't just built in your workout. They're revealed by how you fuel your body and how you let it recover. You can train like a beast, but if your diet is all over the place and you're not giving your body time to heal, you'll never see the results you're working for. Think of your body like a high-performance machine. You wouldn't fill a sports car with the wrong fuel and expect it to run at top speed, right? The same goes for you. If you want to burn fat, tighten your core, and actually see those abs, what you put in your body matters just as much as how hard you train. Junk food, sugar overload, late night snacking, it all slows you down, but clean fuel. Lean proteins, whole foods, vegetables, hydration. That's what helps reveal the muscles you're sweating so hard to build. And I'm not talking about starving yourself or chasing some unrealistic diet. This isn't about punishment, it's about power. Food is fuel, not the enemy. When you eat right, you're not depriving yourself, you're empowering yourself. Every good choice you make in the kitchen is another step toward showing off the work you've been putting in on the mat. Abs aren't hidden under a lack of effort, they're hidden under layers of choices, and when those choices shift, the results show. But fueling your body is only half the equation, the other half recovery, and yes, I know everyone wants to skip this part. You want to go hard every single day, chase the burn, feel that sweat. But listen carefully, your body doesn't grow stronger while you're training. It grows stronger while you're resting. Muscles repair, energy restores, and your body adapts when you give it time. If you never rest, you're not giving your body a chance to catch up with your effort. That's when injuries happen, that's when fatigue builds, and that's when motivation dies. So respect your rest days, respect your sleep, respect the balance between push and pause. It's not weakness to rest, it's strategy. It's how you come back stronger, faster, and hungrier for the next workout. When you combine powerful workouts with clean fuel and smart recovery, that's when the magic happens. That's when your body becomes a machine that burns fat, builds strength, and reveals the abs you've been chasing. It's not one or the other, it's all of it working together, so don't sabotage yourself. Don't train like a warrior and eat like you don't care. Don't push your body to the edge and then refuse to give it rest. Respect the process, fuel the fire, and let your body do the work it's designed to do. By now you understand, it's not just about the abs. Sure, abs are the goal, abs are the promise, and abs are the thing that brought you here. But what you gain from this challenge goes far beyond what you see in the mirror. The real transformation happens inside. Every single workout, every drop of sweat, every rep where you refuse to quit. It's shaping more than your body. It's shaping your mindset. You're not just building muscle, you're building confidence, you're building grit. You're building the belief that you can do hard things, and that belief doesn't go away once the challenge ends. It carries into your life. It carries into the way you walk into a room, the way you approach your goals, the way you deal with setbacks. Suddenly, you're not just someone who tried a workout. You're someone who conquered one. Think about how powerful that is. If you can show up every day for yourself, if you can fight through the moments when your body wanted to quit, if you can stay consistent for 2 weeks, you've proven something unshakable. You've proven that you can commit. You've proven that you can transform. You've proven that when you set your mind to something, nothing can stop you. And here's the truth. Those abs, they'll come, but the fire you built inside, that's what lasts. Because abs fade, muscles change, life shifts. But the discipline you create, the confidence you build, the power you feel when you realize you're capable of so much more, that never leaves you. That's yours to keep. This challenge is a doorway. Once you step through it, you don't just have a stronger core, you have a stronger self. And when you face obstacles in life, you'll remember this feeling. You'll remember the burn, the sweat, the struggle, and how you pushed through it. And you'll say to yourself, if I could do that, I can do this too. That's the gift you take with you. So, yes, this is about getting abs. But it's also about unlocking the version of you that doesn't quit, that doesn't settle, that doesn't give up just because it's hard. It's about becoming the person who looks at challenges not with fear, but with fire. You've got 2 weeks. 2 weeks to sculpt your body, strengthen your mind, and transform your life. 2 weeks to prove to yourself that you're capable of more than you ever imagined. 2 weeks to not just get abs, but to step into your power. You've got the plan, you've got the fire, and now it's time to make it real. 2 weeks is all it takes to step up, to push harder than you ever thought possible, and to prove that you can transform. This isn't just about abs, it's about becoming stronger, more confident, and unstoppable. Every rep, every drop of sweat, every choice you make counts. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. 2 weeks, 14 days, one unstoppable you. Get up, show up, and conquer. The challenge is yours. Own it.